Yo, what's up guys? We are actually at the spot now. We have just caught a chain pickerel, but my GoPro Hero 7Y actually had a little trouble and decided to make me format the SD card, so I don't even have that footage. So here we go, we're going to try catching one now. You know what, I can't even cast today. So, let me get you up here. Okay, now. Okay. Some real pretty chain pickerel. Find them. Certain spot, and then sit around and chill, and just chill and be quiet. Like this for the chain pickerel in these kind of creeks. They're pretty rare in these kind of creeks. So, hard to find them. Fine current. I think it'll be okay. Catch it. Can't find it. Big one around. Looks almost like a gar. Maybe we'll catch a gar. It'll be exercise for this creek. Sure. Put this button over there. I'm trying to get one, but I'm trying to catch one of these. I already caught one. I'm just trying to catch one now for the video, because that one got deleted, sadly. So many darn cars in this road. Okay, so we're here at the spot now. Let's hope we don't get snake bit. It's a pretty darn snaky area. So, let me make sure. Ooh, there's a lot of fish in here today. Okay. Let me see. It's pretty snaky today, too. I actually see a few fish around, so I gotta be really quiet. This is a really shallow creek, so yeah. There's some under that log over there. I've caught a big fish out of here before, so I'm pretty sure there's some more big ones in here. That was a good pounder, and that's big for this little bitty creek. So let's see what we can do. I see one fish over there. I just don't want to get tangled up. Let me throw it under this log over here. fish just aren't here today, guys. I know there's fish in here. Just have to be real careful. It's real sketchy for snakes. I don't know how deep it is or anything in here. Never checked. There's gotta be a fish in here though. Think about it. Just look at this juicy water. I mean, there's gotta be some fish in here. I'm being quiet, so. I don't scare all the fish off. Okay, so we are at the new spot. This is actually just right across the street. I wasn't thinking, but we're just gonna kind of like real easily cast here. Because there's a lot of tangle spots. Oh, I already got a fish on. Shoot, I had a fish on first cast, guys. That's crazy. After I've been struggling all this time in this creek, I get one first cast. So I know there's fish in here. So I've caught them before, but not much. Got one. Got one. Let's see what it is. It's a little creek chub. Okay, so we got a creek chub. That's something that we knew that was probably in here. Okay, so now let's put the creek chub back. Y'all always know what that is. A little Lapomas gratos. Watch your stream, Philly fishing, and you can know all the different definitions. I really recommend you to watch your stream, Philly fishing. He's a really cool micro fisher, but I recommend watching my channel. So first fish of the day. See if we can get another one. Had another bite. Had another bite. Got one. Oh, he came off. Jeez, there's a lot of fish down there. Okay. Huh. There's a lot of fish down there because I get about every cast. I have no clue what's down there. I think it's creek chubs though. So yeah, you watch that tip. Okay, well this was a kind of a fail. So I'll see y'all at the next spot. GoPro, stop recording. So we're coming up on our new spot here. I'm gonna be kind of quiet because it's kind of a small spot. But I know there's fish in here. I've caught them many times out of here. So yeah, let's be real quiet. See if we can catch one. Oh, I think I had a hit. Just gotta be real quiet. Now there's some big fish in here, but they're really curious. So they will not hit anything if they see me here. Okay, so let me get down in here real easily, gently. Jeez. Okay, I gotta be really quiet now. Kick the fish up. So now. So guys, we just arrived at the spot. This is our first spot of the day. So we're just gonna walk down here, see if we can't catch some fish. So when I catch a fish, I'll turn the camera back on and record it. Okay, see you then. Yo guys, so I'm just throwing this little jig around throwing it up into this hole and stuff. Haven't caught a fish yet, but I'll keep you tuned. Here, I'll take a cast up in there. I just don't want to break off this $8 jig. It's a little swimming jig. So I'll take a few casts, see what I can catch. Guys, I just caught this fish. He's pretty big, I think. He's biting pretty hard. I don't know what he is, but he's fighting pretty darn hard. I think it might be a catfish. Oh my goodness. Don't get me tangled up. Good Lord, he's big. He's big. Oh, it's a drum. It's a drum. Okay. Drum. Alright, well, I'm gonna cut you guys off. Just caught this little drum. I'll catch you next time I catch another fish. So guys, I just now been casting this little Strike King crankbait around. It's my first cast with it, actually. Might catch something with it. I don't know. We'll see. So it's just a little Strike King. I hope you can see that. So I'll catch you tuned when I catch another fish. Alright guys, we're fishing this new little hole over here. New little body of water. Just using this little, shoot, I don't even know what they're called. I think they're called gasoline kind or something. We're just gonna cast up this creek. See if we can't get one. The pump house isn't on, so I don't know if we can catch one or not. But oh, I hope I don't get a snake bit. Holy crap. So frickin' sketchy. Listen. Son of... Got it. Okay guys, I'll catch you when I catch another bass, okay? Okay guys, I just caught this, I don't know what it is. It could be a bass. I think it might be a bass. Yeah, it's a little bass. Okay. No, it's a little drum. Okay. So I just caught this little bitty drum. He's not big at all. So I'll catch you next time when I catch another fish, but this one's just little. So see you next time. Oh yeah guys, I forgot to tune you in. I'm throwing top water right now. So yeah. Hopefully we catch something. I'm not sure about this place with top water.
What you got on there?
Frog.
Like a frog?
So we'll see. I'm not a big frog person, but I'll see y'all when I catch fish, I guess. Okay guys, so we're just leaving our spot now. Let's go check out the main river. See how it is up here today. Oh, jeez. It's kind of rough, but tell you what, it ain't that bad. There's some big old cats in here, I'll tell you that. Maybe we should go catfishing one day. We'll walk this road. Let's see. Actually, you know what? This is kind of sketchy. I think I want to go back. Yeah. We're just gonna go fish the bridge right now. Alright. Stay tuned, guys, to catch another fish. Okay, guys, so we're leaving now. We really had a bad day today. We caught 2 drum, and what else did we catch? 2 drum, 2 crappie, which wasn't in the video, I'm sorry about, but 2 drum, 2 crappie, one little bass, and a few stripids, and that was it. So I hope everyone has a great day, and peace out. Fishing the Camden Pump House and the Camden Spillway. It's been a great day today. We really didn't catch much, but we did end up catching 2 striped bass, 2 crappie, 1 little bass, and 2 big drum. One was 15 pounds and the other one was 2 pounds. I couldn't get it out in the video, so stay tuned to the next video. Hope everyone has a great week, and peace out. God bless everyone. Yo guys, so we're heading to the spot right now. I'm just riding my 4-wheeler down here. I got my fishing poles right there. It's kind of nice. I just don't want to, just making sure I don't hit any signs or anything. Gotta make sure I don't hit anything. So we're just heading down here. I'm meeting somebody down here right now. So yeah, just gotta make sure. Okay guys, so we just got to the spot. I'm going to take my first cast and see what I can catch.
I got us a banana too. Alright, I got one here.
Look at the brim in the water. I don't know if you can see him or not. Got one. Oops. He came off.
You want to drink it now or later?
Later.
Later? Huh? Alright, we'll get
Look
you
at him.
one here. I seen them big brim all over there. There you go. There you go. You got him this time. Well, I'm a dog. You missed him again?
Yeah, these are some really small brim in here, so
Alright.
they're kind of hard to catch, and I don't have the right tackle exactly. So just fishing this little brim bed right here. I'm not sure what kind of brim they are, but
I don't like
I'll
that
see.
old green thing. I'll get a different thing. I'll get a different thing.
see if one can get it or not. They might have stowed all the bait on. No, they didn't. I really need a smaller hook.
Hey, I like this one right here. This green one. Yeah. Got him? Well, you ain't caught that thing yet. Y'all go, boy. You can't catch that.
Bait stillers.
Huh?
Bait stillers.
Bait stealer. Stealing your bait and you can't catch him, huh? Well, you got to get on there and get him. You got to get him, boy. You got to get him. What's in this bag? Nothing. It done. Yeah, it does. Had one little sinker and I just lost it. A little jig hook, too. I guess I lost it. All right.
Okay, guys, so we're just going to grind and see if we can catch one here. But I'm not going to brim fish for very long.
Hey, where am I?
So, yeah. They took that bait off so fast, guys.
Can't get that thing hid. Boy, you
So,
catch 'em
I'm
all
gonna-
the time. Now you ain't doing no tricks.
Let's catch you too. Hey, guys, so we're just grinding now. Still. For a fish. Just had a hit. These are just little brim. I might take some home. But they're good eating size. Trust me. There's a little bass down there. Maybe he'll eat it. I have no clue. Guys, I've just decided this is my last cast for brim fishing. They just been stealing my bait like crazy.
I ain't catching none either. There's a big one right there.
Yeah, this is it. They're bait stealers today. I don't have the right hook, so I'll catch you guys soon when I get bass fishing. Yo guys, so I just caught this miniature bass. I mean, when I'm talking miniature, look at this dude. Look how cute he is. I just been brim fishing while it's been raining, but now I'm back out here. Bye, little buddy. He's so cute. Oh my goodness. So guys, the fish are starting to bite now. I've got a smaller hook, so we should be better than we were at least. So yeah, stay tuned to the video. We're actually just gonna be keeping the GoPro on and seeing what I can catch while the GoPro's on. That one hit the water literally on top water. Hit a worm on top water. Never seen anything like that in my life. Never seen a bass hit on top water. As I told you, there's some dinks in here. I never seen one that small in here though. But I guess they live in here. I was just brim fishing. Altogether, that's my 8th fish. Let me get y'all guys centered up. Okay. Okay guys, so I'm just fishing this little hole over here. Literally. First cast over here I caught a fish in this little spot. As soon as I turn the camera on, I probably won't catch one. I see a little bed down there. Oh yeah, he's got it. That one's got it. I see him down there eating it. Okay, we got him. Never mind. I jerked it out of his mouth. Oh my goodness. I'm such an amateur fisherman, guys, to do that. Oh guys, I just caught this cute little brim. Look at this thing. He's so cute. No, there was no edits in that right now. But oh, is he so cute? Oh my goodness, he's like the size I catch in my creek. Bye-bye, buddy. It's just a little bluegill. I think it might be a bluegill.
Boy, you're getting them all.
There's my old granddad over there. He loves to fish. He'll go anytime. I rode my four-wheeler down here. Oh my goodness, look at that brim down there. Oh my goodness, I saw him eat it. He's got it. He's got it. Got him. Guys, just caught another one. No edits.
Oh boy. Nice.
This is my 9th fish. So guys, once it starts, okay guys, I've just decided I'm gonna walk along this bank and see if I can't find a bass or bluegill, whatever. See if I can't find one. I know I can. It's just a matter of catching it. Yep, there's already one got it. He's just not.
Everything's gone now.
See, he's got it. He just won't set it. See, they're bait stealers in here. I mean, he legit stole a whole worm. That's ridiculous. So what I'm gonna do is I'm actually going to put a little bit bigger hook on here, so just stay tuned, guys. I'm gonna catfish.